Hi everyone, it's Lisa with InkandInspirations.com. Thank you for joining me today. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And in this video I wanted to give you a quick tip on using a ribbon treatment that will not give too much dimension on your card, but it's when you want to add a bow and make it as flat as possible, but yet get that pretty loopy and the little tails. And I just want to show you what I do when I am wanting something like that on my card. Now this little guy here is from the Party Panda set. This is one of the celebration sets for 2018 from Stampin' Up! You can earn it for free with a $50 product purchase. And if you visit my blog at InkandInspirations.com, you can learn more about that. So here I have the card basically finished. This is some designer paper from the Occasions catalog, and I've got some Whisper White cardstock and just the panda stamped in black, Memento black ink, and I colored the balloon with a cherry cobbler Stampin' Blends. And now I want to add the sentiment, but to make that pop out from that white background, I'm going to add some of this cherry cobbler double stitched ribbon, and I want a bow behind it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it on the spool so I can just adjust and see how much I want for that, and I'm going to make a loop and then another loop like this, and I want to keep these X's on the outside if I can, just like that, and that cross is in the middle there. Okay, so again, I make a loop and then I come back around this side and make another loop, and it just crosses over the front, and I'm not going to make a knot there. Okay, so now I'm just going to trim off the edge of the ribbon. Let's see if I can turn this. I want to keep my X's on the front. Let's just trim off, and then we can trim some more as needed. Okay, now to hold this all together, I'm just going to use some of my glue dots. I'm going to get the my paper piercer and just attach all of these little crossovers together. Okay, it's not hard to do at all. In fact, right now I think I just need the two. Okay, and bring this back over to the front like that. Okay, and there I have a cute bow, but yet I don't have the knot there. Okay, it's basically flat. So now that's going to give the look I want underneath that happy birthday sentiment that's also from that set. And I'm just going to move that down a bit, adjust that. And then I am going to want to trim this, but I think I want to go ahead and attach it. So let's use a glue dot behind and stick it on right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and come in and trim these off before I get that sentiment on. And on the back of this, I just used some of our mini Stampin' Dimensionals, and I have two there. And then I'm just going to go over top, just like that. And there I have the bow treatment, but yet it doesn't have that knot underneath it, and it has a very clean and flat look, except for that little bit of dimension from the dimensionals. Okay, I hope you can use that tip. Please visit my website at InkandInspirations.com for more ideas, and I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.